Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with some vegetables and a henna cone to make a design. So watch till the end to know what it is about. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel and press the bell button below for more notifications. And we are going to use these vegetables today. And first I took a lemon and I made a cut in the middle, and we have two small round pieces, and I'm going to take the smaller one, and I took a lady's finger and made small pieces, and I also removed all the seeds and made it clean using water to remove all the sticky materials. And next I took a long pea, and I made pieces from that. And first I'm going to use the lemon to make a circle for a mandala. So today we are going to draw a mandala design, a simple one with some vegetables, which is freely available in our home. So I just placed the lemon in the center, and I'm going to draw around the borders of the lemon using my henna cone to make a circle. And after drawing this, and I'm going to remove the lemon from our hand or the paper where you are drawing. And for demonstration, I'm just using this paper. You can do this in your hand or in feet and all. And now I'm going to place 5 ladies' fingers around that circle, and I'm gonna fill those holes with mehndi. And the thing is, we have to fill it such that it overflows through the holes, then only the mehndi will reach the bottom. And now I'm going to draw borders with henna for that lady's finger piece. While taking the lady's finger, make sure that you have cleaned the lady's finger thoroughly with water, because if you haven't done that, there will be remaining seeds and sticky materials. And also just press the lady's finger piece to make it in a flowering position or a shape. And then I'm going to place my piece around to make a smaller design for our mandalas. And now I'm going to draw around the small pea pieces for making the borders. After drawing the borders for the pea, just remove the piece away from my hand, but never remove the lady's finger piece, because it's already wet with all the henna, and if you try to remove it while it is still wet, it will cause the henna to spread around and we will not get our desired design. So let it stay till the mehndi dries, and remove the lady's finger while you are removing the dry piece for stains. And now we are going to fill the circle we made using our lemon with a simple grid design. Hope you like my channel, and if you need more designs and more ideas, I'm readily available in my Instagram page. It is also called Mehndi Love. You can check it out. The link is in my details of this video, and also you can try out my other videos. We have many videos for tutorials for the beginners. And I'm gonna draw the next design around the circle we made first, and the part with the vegetables, it's already over, and we are going to draw some designs to make our mandala beautiful. Now we are almost complete with our mandala design. Only thing is that we need to make some flower kind of design around our lady's finger borders. And I hope you like my designs, and I hope you like my narrations too. And your feedback is very valuable for me so that I can improve in my next video. So please send me comments or DM me in my Instagram page. And thanks for watching till the end patiently. Thanks for subscribing my channel. Bye, and see you in the next video.